Oh hey, it's me Olive, your cosplay queen, and welcome back to my channel. You know, the little film called Mortal Kombat is coming out. How many are excited? Me too. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a look inspired by Mortal Kombat. As most of us, well, at least me, growing up, like, Mortal Kombat was the game. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, ooh. Like, the bad kids played it, and I felt so naughty playing it. And I'm, like, so excited for this look. Like, gonna, like, relive my childhood with it. And I, like, sewed a dress, and, not a dress. I sewed an outfit. Not the best seamstress, but, like, we'll get into it. So if you guys want to see what that looks like, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you check out that bell notification so you don't miss another video of mine, because I'm pretty great. You'll see. I'll win you over this time. And make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more like gay faggotry, because we love that here on this channel. I mean, there's not enough of it. Like, we need more like happiness and like queerness in the world. So like, why not support it? Thank you. That is my TED Talk for the day. All right, let's get into this look. As you can see, I started with my base done to save some time, and I'm looking so gorge. With like a brown, I love a brown lip. I don't know what it is. It just, living in my like 90s like grunge fantasy. So cute. For this look today, I'm going to be using the Trixie Cosmetics Daytime Realness palette. And it's gonna be full of blues. And actually this look is inspired by the character Kitana. Thank you. She is iconic, you know, she's like a queen, well, princess. She has like fans, like
a gay boy's fantasy.
And her like outfits, like blue, gorgeous. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. Ooh. Let's get into this look. So for this look, I'm going to be dipping into the color Channel Surfer and just place her right in the inner corner. I'm gonna build up this color and then blend her out after. And how many of you were fans of Mortal Kombat? Or are fans of Mortal Kombat? Like the new movie, girl, budget. They spent a pretty coin on that movie, and I'm so excited to see all the fatalities. And I remember playing like Mortal Kombat on like the PlayStation 1, or actually just the PlayStation back then, before they had numbers. Oh my gosh, I'm showing my age. Pretend I didn't tell you that. No, and then like every like homo, during fighting games, we always pick the girl character because like they were the best characters. Like, oh, they look so cute. They had the best like outfits. They were like the best fighters. They were so nimble and like quick, like us. I'm dipping into Plot Twist from the NikkieTutorials palette and just blending out this blue a little bit, just to make everything look a little more blurred. All right, now on a fluffier brush, I'm going to take the color Weather Girl, dip into her, tap off the excess, and just place that right here. And I just dug into a deeper blue, and on a denser brush, place that where my inner corner is. And on a fluffy brush with a camel brown, just placing that where the nose contour and the eyeshadow meet. And now on a fluffy brush, I'm taking Plot Twist and blurring everything out. I'm taking the shade Soap Star on a dense brush, spraying that with some setting spray. Just gonna place that in the inner corner. And now with my finger, I'm taking the shade Static and just placing that all over my lid. This shade is so gorgeous. Look at this, it's so great. It's so pretty. Miss Trixie, you did good, girl. Now with an angled brush, I am going to map out my like cut crease. Yeah, I remember for like the first like Mortal Kombat game, my go-to was Sonya Blade because she was the girl, and so I had like a little like obsession with her. And then like second game they like got rid of her because, you know, you can't have more than one girl, and then they added Kitana, who this look is inspired by, and she's so fab with like her fans or whatever. She can like cut some bitches like head off, like it's so great. And she's like royalty. Yes ma'am, we love a queen. Yes queen. I just took an angled brush and used like a charcoal gray in the palette and mapped out that cut crease, and now I'm just taking a dense brush and blending that out. All right, now that I have that mapped out, I'm gonna go cut the crease off camera just to save some time, and I will be right back. As you can see, I have my like crease all cut. I did some liner, and time to do the bottom half of the eye. I'm gonna do a white liner, just classic. Every drag queen does it. Cute. And then with a brown liquid liner right under that, I'm just gonna trace it. There we go. Right now I'm taking a dense brush and just dipping into the shade Channel Surfer and just placing that right here. Who remembers those like old like 90s like Mortal Kombat movies? Those were it, mama. Live my little gay fantasy to those. So cute. And the person who played Kitana in those movies was so gorgeous. Although she wasn't wearing blue like she did in the video games. So it smells stunt, mama. Something doesn't add. And I'm not going to blend it out as much as I usually do. I'm gonna try to have some restraint today. Now on an angled brush, I'm taking the charcoal like gray color and just marrying the bottom lash line and the liner up top. And the littlest bit of black, I'm just gonna place that right there too, just to deepen everything up. All right, I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera just to save some time, and I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back with my other eye all complete. As you can see, I added my lashes and everything, some liner, all the jazz. Now I just gotta add some finishing touches, and then I can get my jag on and we can finish up this look. So right now I'm just dipping back into some bronzer and just warming up this face. And then I tend to go for like bronzer around the jaw area because it like softens it more so than like contour, where it could be like a little too harsh. Especially for this look, I'm not doing as heavy makeup. It's still heavy makeup, let's be honest, it's drag, but she's a woman. You know who was fun to play as in Mortal Kombat was Sindel, Kitana's mom, with the like, I want to say like Cruella de Vil, but like it's really like Michelle Visage hair, like the white streak, and then she did a little scream. It was everything, and she like can like attack you with her hair, like come on. Now I'm going in with some blush and just adding that to the face, just to add some color and life. Some blush around the chin, soften her up, tip of the nose. Ooh, I'm like living for this. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna deepen up the contour just the slightest bit. All right, I'm gonna go finish up off camera to save some time, get my drag on, and I will be right back with the finished look. And I'll be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. This Mortal Kombat cosplay makeup tutorial is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like I'm about to whoop someone's ass. Like, oh, let's be honest. Like, this is kind of everything. I like made this like outfit. There's a hem here. There's a hem everywhere. There's a hem. Ish. Don't zoom in. That's homophobic. You don't want to commit a hate crime. Otherwise. I'll do that to you. How do we feel about this? I live for it. Like, I kind of did like a blue cut crease into like some graphic liner. But like the blue, I love blue eyeshadow on me for some reason. Like it just like looks so good on my skin tone. And then, humble brag. And then just like the glitter on the eyes just really bring everything in. And then like I didn't smoke out the lower lash line as much as I usually do. Like it's kind of cute. I don't look as like drunk, I guess, or tired. But like that's kind of like a look or whatever, just like bedroom eyes. But like now I look like more awake and stuff and alert. Really pull it out and snatch everything up because like, you know, Kitana, she snatched. She has like her hair up. She's about to like, you know, get some bitches with her fans and stuff. She's just like, get over here. No, I'm just kidding. That's not what she says. That's Scorpion. Ugh, Scorpion. He's about to be a badass in the movie. Like, let's be honest. He's about to like...
Tune in next week when she turns her boyfriend into Scorpion.
Oh, could you imagine? I could turn him into Scorpion. Sound up below if you want to see that on my channel. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. I like stacked a wig for you guys. I put on some like stiletto nails because, you know, if I run out of these, I still got these guys. Freddy Krueger a bitch. Hold on. Before we go, I didn't even show you guys the best part. I made a mask. This outfit's COVID friendly. See, I'm like protecting others while I'm beating their ass. Kitana. Who else is excited to see the movie? Down off below in the comments section. It looks so badass, guys. Like, I'm kind of super excited for it. Like, it better not let me down. Although, like, those old movies are super campy and not that great, but I still kind of live my life. Like, they have a special place in my little heart. Also, like, Kitana, she has like a twin. It's like a clone. And that's actually who it was going to be. Well, who I thought about being is Melina, who like wears a reddish purple color. But you know, blue is more my gig. Like this looks better on me. And also, the fabric store, they only have blue fabric, so. Also, like these guys. Melina doesn't have this, and I got some fans. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Olive Cox, where I'll probably have a look with this guy. Or not. Who knows? I'll finish a bitch off. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know the next time I make a brand new upload, so you can see what I'm gonna do next week. Who knows? Maybe it's another comic book thing. Probably, because hashtag predictable. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Get over here.